Hey everyone, welcome back to Witquick Academy, and this is your tutor Anshul Srivastav. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the why React widely used and what features make it stand out from other libraries and frameworks. So let's take a quick look at React journey first. So React was created by Jordan Week, a software engineer at Facebook back in 2011. So at that time, Facebook web applications was getting more complex and their existing solutions could not keep up the demand for smooth user interaction. So they needed a new way to update the user interface without overhauling the entire page. So React was initially internally used at Facebook for a few years and powered the news feed, the ads manager, etc. But in 2013, Facebook realized it should be an open source library. So this was a huge turning point as it was the first time developers could use a component based declarative approach to build user interfaces. So since its release, React has seen explosive growth. So the community around it expanded rapidly, and Facebook kept improving it. So with updates like React Native for mobile app development, React became a full stack solution for many developers and businesses. So, what exactly is React? React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, but it's more than just a simple library. It's a powerful tool for building complex, dynamic, and fast web applications. It's focused on creating reusable UI components. I will explain this to you with showing you all this in the next video, so don't be scared of that. So, making the process of developing interactive UIs easier and more efficient. So, one key concept in React is its declarative approach. When using React, you describe what the UI should look like, and React take cares of how to render it. This is different from traditional JavaScript where you need to manually manipulate the DOM means like document object model. With React, you can just declare the structure and React handles the updating and rendering for you. It's just a smart way. So how does React do it? Like React also use a feature called the virtual DOM. Don't be scared, I said again. I will explain you and show you in the next video. Okay. I'm just right now covering the introduction and all. Just giving you an overview for this. So when you update the UI, React does not directly modify the actual DOM right away. Instead, it creates a lightweight copy of the real DOM in memory. This makes React extremely efficient since it only updates the parts of the UI that actually changed. So it's a game changer for performance. So why do developers choose React? One of the biggest reason is performance. Uh, it's all thanks to virtual DOM. React can quickly update the UI without unnecessarily re-rendering the entire page, as I told you before. So this leads to faster load times and smoother UI experience. So especially for large applications. React component based architecture is another big reason, and that's why it is so popular. Instead of dealing with long kinds of code, you know, you can do it in a single line. React lets you break down your UI into small reusable components. I'll also show you this in the next time. Each component can manage its own state and you can compose them together to create complex UIs. This makes the code more organized, maintainable, and scalable. React also has a huge community and a rich ecosystem. There are like countless libraries, tools, and resources that you can tap into it. Whether you're looking for routing libraries like React, router state management libraries like Redux, or even frameworks like Next.js for server-side rendering, React has a ton of support. So with React Native, you can use the same React code to build mobile apps for both iOS and Android. So there's a huge benefit for developers who want to reach multiple platforms with one code base. Now let's talk about some React key features. So first is JSX, which stands for JavaScript XML. It's a syntax extension for JavaScript that looks similar to HTML but allows you to write HTML like code inside your JavaScript. Yeah, that's right. You can write JavaScript into HTML. How it looks, we'll see in the next time. It might look confusing at first, but it is extremely powerful and makes your code more readable and concise. And trust me, it is so easy. As we mentioned earlier, components are the building blocks of React. So every part of UI is a component from the header to the footer. You can create class components or functional components, but the trend is definitely shifting towards using functional components with hooks, which will show you shortly in the next time. React also uses state and props to manage data and handle interactions. Props are how components, pass data to each other. So while state is used within a component to track its data or user input, together they allow components to react to user interaction and update the UI accordingly. So to the sum up, React is a basically declarative component based library that makes it is easier to build dynamic, high performance interfaces. It's fast, it's efficient, and it has a more huge ecosystems, for your support. So from Facebook to Instagram to Netflix, many of the top websites use React for their front end. So if you're new to React, I highly recommend you to dive deeper into its documentation and starting with some basic components if you enjoyed this video. So please wait for the next time and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this.